Frustrated by the SQL Server 32.dll error causing Microsoft SQL Server to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. As we prepare the manual solution for SQL Server 32, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the SQL Server 32. It handles the localized dialogs and resource manifests for SQL database search tools. If missing, administrative SQL tools will crash when attempting to perform a find or search operation within a database, citing a resource module load failure. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Because SQL Server 32 DLL is required by Microsoft SQL Server to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of Microsoft SQL Server ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing SQL Server 32 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace SQL Server 32 DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping SQL Server 32 synchronized. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped SQL Server 32 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.